Hello and welcome to the College Investor Audio Show. There's a big settlement in the news, and we're going to talk about it today. Judge approves $425 million Capital One 360 savings settlement. Payments expected soon, July. Before we get to it, just a quick reminder, anytime you hear a podcast, there's an article along with it you can find at thecollegeinvestor.com. Dive deeper on any topic we talk about, with all kinds of resources and things to click on, and it's awesome. You can also find us, share, subscribe, all the things on social media. Just type in the words The College Investor, and you'll find us. We'd love to connect with you there, too. All right, so a federal judge approved a $425 million class action settlement with Capital One over allegations that the bank paid low interest rates to older 360 savings account holders while offering a nearly identical product, 360 Performance Savings, at substantially higher rates. U.S. District Judge David J. Novak signed the final approval order on April 20th, 2026. You can find that PDF if you want. It's wonderful reading at thecollegeinvestor.com, clearing the way for payments to go out to millions of eligible customers. Capital One actually denies any wrongdoing. I guess just didn't want to go to court. I don't know. But here's the big picture. The case covers anyone who held a Capital One 360 savings account anytime between September 18th, 2019 and June 16th, 2025, including joint and co-holders. Class members don't even need to file a claim. Payments are going to go out automatically based on account records. Pretty cool. Capital One launched 360 Performance Savings in 2019 with rates that eventually climbed well above what existing 360 savings customers earned. The lawsuit argued that the bank never clearly told its existing savers that a higher-yielding alternative was available under a similar name. The CFPB previously alleged the same conduct cost consumers more than $2 billion in lost interest. Yikes. With the 360 savings, rate frozen at 0.3%. Come on, you can do better than that. From late 2019 into mid-2024, even as market rates surged. You might remember that. So how much are you going to get if you had this account? Your payout is based on how much additional interest you would have earned if your 360 savings balance had been paid at the 360 Performance Savings rate during the class period. The $425 million fund is reduced first by legal fees and administrative costs, GER, then divided among eligible account holders. When are these payments going to go out? Assuming there are no appeals that delay the process, I should say. Payments are expected on or about, July 21st, 2026. That's according to the settlement website. The court also ordered that any objector who appeals must post a $25,000 bond, a move that makes appeals costlier and reduces the risk of a prolonged delay. Here's how you'll get paid. Customers who chose automatic or electronic payment by March 30th deadline will receive the money that way. Customers who didn't do that and are owed more than $5 will get a check in the mail. Amounts under $5 will only be paid out to those who chose electronic payments. If any money is left in the fund after class payments are complete, the court ordered that residual funds go to Feed More Incorporated, a Richmond, Virginia food bank. Kind of cool. Here's how this all connects. The approval closes out one of the largest consumer banking settlements in recent years. For savers, the takeaway is the same one the College Investor has flagged repeatedly in our coverage of high-yield savings accounts. Banks routinely launch new savings products at higher rates while leaving legacy account holders behind. Not cool. Check the rate on your savings account against current online savings benchmarks, and if it's significantly below what the same bank is advertising to new customers, that's a signal to move your money. Not necessarily a signal for a lawsuit, but at least get your money over to the new account. Anyway, and that is our show for today. I know a quick hitter today, but it's really, really important that you understand what's going on in the banking industry. You can find out more, dive deeper into this topic and all the topics we talk about on The College Investor at thecollegeinvestor.com. Like, share, subscribe, and all the stuff on social media. Search for the words The College Investor, and you'll find us. We would love to connect with you wherever you are on your money journey. All right, thank you so much for stopping by today, and we'll talk to you again real soon.